Hello everyone. We will start with our new topic in Smartforms, that is folder. What is the concept of folder and why we are creating a folder, or in which scenario we have to go for folder creation in Smartforms. Before we go for folder in Smartform, we'll go for a generic understanding. In the real world, we are creating so many folders. Suppose I'm saying I have 10 documents for related to SAP ABAP learning. So what is the best way? I will create a folder. I will create a folder on my desktop, or suppose anywhere. I will create a folder for SAP ABAP, and I will put all the documents related to SAP ABAP in this particular folder. Suppose I'm saying I have 10 to 15 personal documents. Suppose my PAN card is there, Aadhaar card is there. So what is the best way? I should create a folder, personal documents, and I should put all the personal documents into that particular folder. So if you are managing that data like this, it will make your task easy. You can easily understand that my personal documents are in this folder, my SAP documents are in this folder. So just compare it to Smartform. Whenever you are creating a folder in Smartform, the same concept applies here also. So what is folder in Smartform? Its purpose is to combine different node into logical groups. Suppose simple. Suppose I'm saying I have a window, and in that window, suppose I'm creating 10 text. I want to display some information, and I created 10 text. Suppose out of those 10 text, 6 text are related to personal information and 4 texts are related to professional information or professional detail. So what is the best, or what is the best way to understand anyone? You can create 2 folders in that particular window. In the first folder, you can put first 6 text, because this is for personal information, and in another folder you can put rest of the 4 text which is related to professional information. So anyone who will see your Smartform, he can easily understand that in this folder where I have the professional information, in this folder I have the personal details. So this is the significance of folder. You can combine different nodes into logical groups. You are creating a groups. In the real world also, we are going for this way. We are creating a folder, or we are creating a folder for personal, you are creating a folder for SAP. So this is the way how we are managing that data. Now, the most important use of folder is page protection. And this is the reason, or I'll say 99.99%, whenever we want to go for page protection, we are creating a folder in Smartforms. We'll go for detailed understanding, because this is the way, or this is the reason, or this is a major reason we are creating a folder in Smartform. One way we know that you can put that data into one folder, or you can combine that data into one folder. This is one use, but this is the most important use. What is page protection? Page protection means whatever you will put in the folder, everything will display on a single page. Everything will display on the, rather than single, I will say the word same page. Suppose I'm saying I have some data. If I will put that data into a folder, that particular thing will display on the same page. This is the meaning of page protection. I will do the practical and this topic will make more sense to you. Suppose I'm saying, firstly, I will not create a folder and then I will go for folder. Suppose in the main window, I'm creating a text. I will display this text after the table. I will go to text editor. Suppose I'm writing some text. Important information 1, important information 2, suppose important information 3. Suppose I have some important information 4 also. So I have 4 lines of important information. Now I will just activate my smartphone. Now what customer is saying, whenever my whole data will finish, suppose whole item data will finish, at the last, this 4 lines of important information should display. I'm again repeating what customer want. Customer is saying, whenever my whole item data finish, whenever my whole item data displayed, at the last, I want these 4 lines of text to be displayed. Now I will show you the output. Suppose I will just run my smartphone through the program. I will pass the output device. Now I will show you the output. Have you seen the first line displayed on the first page and rest of the 3 lines displayed on the second page? But customer will never accept. See, just see in this case what is happening. Your some information is coming on one page, your some important information is coming on second page, but what customer told, whenever your whole data finished, I want all the important information to be displayed on the same page. So what in that case, what we can do? We should create a folder, because what is the purpose of folder? Whatever you will put in the folder, the purpose of folder is to provide page protection. It means whatever you will put in the folder, everything will display on the same page. I will show the practical. Suppose I will create a folder now. Suppose I will create a folder and inside this folder, I will display this text. My text is inside this folder. Now, click on your folder, go to the conditions of the folder, output options of the folder, and we have a checkbox, page protection. So what is page protection? The purpose of the major benefit of a folder is to provide the page protection. It means whatever is inside the folder, it will display on the same page. In the previous scenario, what happened? One line displayed on one page, another data displayed on second page. Suppose it will not accommodate there, so some text will display on the third page. So this is a very weak output. If we want the information to display on the same page, we should create a folder because folder is providing the page protection. So if I will show you the output, if I will run my smart form through the program, if I will show you the output, now you can see previously our one line of text displayed on the first page. Now it is not displayed. It will check where it can display the whole information on a same page. Now, if I will go for my next page, you can see all things are displayed on the same page, because we put this in folder and we check the checkbox page protection. Major and important use of a folder. The folder is used to provide a page protection. If you want the information to displayed on a same page, in that case you should create a folder. Else what will happen? It will distribute on different pages. So this is the major use of a folder. So what we learned in this video, we learned two use of a folder. The first purpose of a folder, that you can combine different node into one group. You can create a folder so that it is a repository for same kind of thing. And the second main use of folder is you can achieve page protection through folder in Smartform. And page protection is the major use. That's why we are creating a folder in Smartform. That's it in this video. Thank you.